Hvala vam što ste večeras ovdje. Thank you so much. I made this film not just to remind the world of such a dark time in history, one that should not be forgotten, but also to show the world the immense talent and beautiful art and extraordinary country that is Bosnia. And I know that this will bring back many painful memories, and I know it is a difficult film to watch, but I hope when you do, it doesn't just remind you of what you've suffered, but it also reminds you of all that you have survived. I'm so happy to be here tonight. I love Bosnia. I love all of you. And I hope you're pleased with the film. Thank you.